Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sick Sister Always Miss Me, chapter 31. So here it is. Let's read the story. Well, it was Gu Wanxing trying to meet up with Zhao Zhao regarding to the online rumor that Su Yulian and Su Wenzhou are in love. Thought about it for a long, finally decided to speak about it. Well, it was annoying citizen. Sul Yulian has abnormal gender orientations, secretly goes to the other places to look for the people. It was really disgusting. I heard that his decadent private life. That's right, if you have the guts, let her be born in the ordinary family and see if she still acts arrogant. The world is going to downhill. Picture he is close to the other's woman. Don't believe if he says there's a relationship between the two of them. No. Wen Zhao said to Yulian, I'm leaving. Yulian said to her, well, just stay safe. I'll go back to the group and pick you up in the evening. Well, finally, Yulian, she let it go. But of course, right now, it was Wen Zhao who's going to meet Miss Su. She was knocking on the door. She was calling, Miss. Well, maybe, really want to end this game. That's why she really came in. The chairman is not in a good mood. Please comfort her. It was Julian who's coming for her parents. The secretary said that the chairman is not feeling well and she should be coaxed her. Now, Julian said to herself, someone like my mother who can do everything. Well, why suddenly her mother seems to be exhausted? Of course, the older member of the family is giving her a headache so much. Now, Julian, she moved closer to her mother. She grabbed a blanket. Well, is she going to put blankets on hers? Do you also need a comfort? Julian said to herself. Well, of course, she's been too nice and said, Julian, why are you here? Are you free? I heard from my aunt that the old men are forcing you to express your opinion. Julian, of course, she got really worried about her mother. You and your aunt don't need to worry about these things. I can handle them. You and Zhao Zhao just need to focus on the things in front of you. Julian Matters said to her. Well, it turns out she looks really sad. My Matters really mentions my grandfather's family to me. Really deteriorated from the year of Su Wenzhou's arrival. Where's Xiao Zhao? Yulan's mother is asking her. But of course, right now, she really can help it, but is she going to lie on her mother? Well, remembering what Wenzhou is asking her to keep it a secret from her mother, so we have to settle it. Just don't let mom knows that I'm going there, okay? Why are you going alone then? Yulian said to her. Well, back then, she remembers that Wenzhou was really wanting to make amends. There is no reason, I just don't want mom to know. I will bring bodyguards with me and have them follow me all the time. So you can rest assured. Wenzhou said to her. Well, Yulian said okay. What happened to her? She went to have a dinner with her friends. Well, she is not in good health. Please take good care of her. Her mother, until now, she really got worried about Wenzhou. Now it makes sense. Her mother said to her, let's go. Let's go eat something too. Oh, finally. The big thorn's already removed. She can really calm now. But her mom, she stood away and said to her, let's go eat something too. Julian said, well, finally. She was agreeing, and Julian, she's following her mother. After a while, the two of them went out, having a western food at Sister Wansing's house. The sisters eating it. Sister Wansing insisted on sending me off, so you don't need to come to pick me up. Oh, Zhao Zhao, she's getting tricky. Su, right now, she's the one who's driving, and said, are you feeling unwell? I feel a little. Sister Wansing. Zhao Zhao, she was calling Wansing, but it seems that Wansing, she is not good in condition. Now the two of them went straight on the trees. This is not good. It was really terrifying and also shocking. Wen Zhao, Miss Gu, let's see. Let's hope. There's nothing bad happened to the two of them. Someone said, call the police, call an ambulance, quick. Maybe they really find them in not in good condition. On the other hand, on the hospital, Miss William, Assistant Sue, you are here at last. Well, it turns out Special Assistant Shang is already there. The doctor is already there outside. Special Assistant Shang, where's Xiao Zhao? How is she doing? Now, Yulian, she got really worried in asking Special Assistant Shang. But of course, Special Assistant Shang, she looks really worried. What? What's going on? Tell me. Ahem, the doctor seems to be surprised. Now, she really got worried about Wenzhou. Miss, please calm down. Xiao Su will be safe. The best doctor in her hospital is in the operating room. One of the girls said to her, but Yulian, she looks like she's getting angry at this moment. Who is the patient's family member? Please sign this paper. The doctor said to them. Of course, she's the only one, so she should be signing the papers. But, Yulian, I am her sister, said to the doctor. She looks really worried, and now it's looked like she's getting impatient. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen. It turns out it was a serious matter. Has anyone come from the Mao-Wan? Well, looking at them, her hands is a little bit shaky. Mao-Wan's people are on their way. Guan Xing's immediate family members do not seem to have to be in the country. Do you think we should go out and notify them, or should the hospital do it? Mom. Now, what's the notice? Is our family doing charity? Yulian said to them, of course, she's really getting angry. Guan Xing, he was really a bad person, and now these things happen because of her. What's the notice? Is her family doing charity? Her mom and assistant was looking at her. Of course, they don't believe that Yulian is getting angry at this moment. Now it really makes sense to them. The patients lost too much blood. The hospital could not provide treatment, so she will die. Let's see on what will happen next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership, or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!